Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix game link to a different account on Ubisoft Connect. Usually it happens on Rainbow Six Siege, but also it should work on other games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to open up Steam, look for your game, Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse. Next up, what we need to do here is to press on View, Show, and make sure File Name Extensions is enabled. Then the next step, what we need to do here is to completely close Ubisoft and Steam. After you close it, then you need to scroll all the way basically down until you see a Rainbow Six Siege EXE. Rainbow Six Siege EXE, right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, make sure to run this program as administrator, and now look if the problem persists after you enter the game or not. And if the problem persists, then try to download that particular game on Ubisoft Connect and not Steam, and try to play on Ubisoft Connect, and it should work as well. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.